Basically, landscape in Unio is basically what are the things that we try to create is a real defined lifestyle in the whole of Kepong. Basically, you don't have it, you never have it along Jalan Kepong, but Unio is the one of the top in landscape in Kepong because this is a high-end project, but not a high-end price.
The design concept for Unio residence is a composition of two blocks being unified by a continuous flowing fin that integrates its residence. The block layout was crafted as a reflection of a unity shape, reflecting the harmonious living for its residents. Each of these units is designed as a pair detached to enhance the privacy.
Landscape defining from ground, lobby, all the way up to the mezzanine of level 36.
While promoting its natural cross-ventilation and natural lighting. The multi-level facilities are delicately crafted to commensurate to a quality resort lifestyle, enhancing the unity within the communal space.
Not many residents actually having it, unless you are actually going into like a 5-star hotel or something that is very super high-end that you are paying lots of money for it.
These communal spaces are then linked by feature spiral staircases.
Spiral staircase, I feel it's kind of a walking staircase experience because you always can see it turn up, as you walk. You can feel it, you can experience it, and then you have a 360-degree view from the spiral staircase all the way up to the sunrise deck. Level 36 basically it's a real full facilities. I call it a 5-star facilities. You pay 2,000 ringgit for a night for a hotel, you get this kind of facilities. But in Unio, you don't need to pay this kind of dollar and cent to get this kind of facilities. It's part of yours, part of when you purchase this property. When you go up to level 36, you're experiencing a 360-degree infinity pool. The next one, you're gonna have a sky yoga. Sky yoga is something that we can never find it in Malaysia because sky yoga is something that we trying to create for you to do exercise in the morning while overseeing the sunrise, because we are on a high level.
The pinnacle of the tower is crowned with a jewel-shaped 360-degree gym floating above water elements.
In Unio, you can find it because 360-degree overlooking KL Tower, KLCC, the best of KL skyline. Okay, the most important thing, the most best level ever, the uppermost floor, the upper highest among the whole project. Weekends cinemas, outdoor cinemas. I mean, you can find it elsewhere outside Malaysia. You can find it lots in Australia, it's in Europe. But in Malaysia, I think our project is the first ever uses this kind of concept. This is one of its kind. It's a kind of like a privately designed lifestyle redefining in the whole of Kepong area. This is things that we're trying to put up to redefine the entire community into a different era, different thing that not expensive, but yet you can get what you want.
We are confident this project will redefine the lifestyle in Kepong.